let's start over here where we can take out some push clips that connect this cover to the bumper cover. So with your trim tool, pop out the center first, lift it up, and then the rest of the push clip should come along. There should be 5 push clips at the front here. Let's finish removing this plastic cover, 3 more push clips at the back. There we go, pull this out. There we go, pull this off. On both sides of the grille, onto the bumper cover here, there's a Phillips head screw that you have to remove. There we go, do the same to the other side. There are 4 push clips in total underneath or behind the grille that hold it to the bumper cover. So go ahead and remove those. Okay. Take this one out. It's the last one for me. And now just unclip it and remove the grille. So to get this emblem off, it's not glued on or anything. If you look on the back side, which is why we removed the grille, has 2 little pins that go through and 2 clips that hold these pins on. You're going to have to reuse these clips unless you have new ones. And the way I'm going to do it is I'm going to cut the pin flush with the clip, just like this, as flush as possible. It's just plastic, so it's not hard to cut. If you don't have these straight cutters, you can just use a razor blade or whatever you have. So I'm going to get the smallest punch that I can find that I have, hold it right onto this pin or the stud that comes through, and then just hammer it through. There we go. The emblem came off, and these little clips are completely reusable, not broken. Let's put the new emblem on, line it up, hold it because it's going to fall out, flip it over, put the clips onto the studs, and as I'm holding the emblem from the backside, I just grab the smallest socket that I found, and I'm going to use that to press the clips onto the emblem to lock them in tight. Make sure you don't break this, and just press it down. And there you have it. It's locked on. Let's get the grille back on, line it up with all the push clip holes. There we go, get the push clips. Slide in your push clips. I actually only had 3, but you're supposed to technically have 4 holding this grille on. And the 2 screws on the side. Nice and snug. Do the same to the other side. Let's get this cover back on. Put it over the latch. Make sure it lines up with the bumper cover as well as the radiator support. And put the 3 push clips back that hold it on over here. And then we'll put the ones that hold it onto the bumper. Perfect. Let's put these clips in here.